Hi everyone, this is Peter at Dakota Plains with your June 12th market update. The markets were mixed today. It looks like corn closed down 8, soybeans closed up 10, and winter wheat closed down 12. The USDA did come out with a fresh round of supply and demand estimates this morning. The 11-12 and the 12-13 corn carryout estimates did catch the market a little bit off guard. USDA left the 11-12 corn carryout unchanged at 851 million bushels compared to the average trade guess of 821 million bushels. This left some traders scratching their head considering the high basis levels that are being paid across the Corn Belt right now. USDA also left the 12-13 corn carryout unchanged at 1.881 billion bushels compared to the average trade guess of 1.750 billion bushels. This number also caught the trade a little bit off guard. They were looking for a little bit of a cut there considering the hot and dry weather we've had so far this spring. Certainly less than ideal growing conditions for most of the Midwest. The USDA did trim its estimate of 11-12 and 12-13 soybean carryouts today. 11-12 bean carryout was pegged at 175 million bushels versus the average trade guess of 189 million bushels, and the 12-13 soybean carryout was pegged at 140 million bushels versus the average trade guess of 143 million bushels. It's worth noting that some analysts see significant downside potential in the 12-13 soybean carryout number. The USDA also trimmed its estimates of 11-12 and 12-13 wheat carryout. 11-12 wheat carryout was pegged at 728 million bushels versus the average trade guess of 753 million bushels, and 12-13 wheat carryout was pegged at 694 million bushels versus the average trade guess of 714 million bushels. So overall, the report was considered to be bearish corn, bullish soybeans, and bullish wheat also, but the bearish corn numbers did bring the wheat market down a little bit today. A wetter forecast, particularly for the western Corn Belt, did weigh on the grains today. The outside markets were higher today and the U.S. dollar was slightly weaker. The trade will be mindful of looming elections in Greece this coming weekend. So hopefully everybody has a good evening, and we'll hope for a good day in the markets tomorrow. We'll talk to you later.